Today I'm going to show you how to turn any API into a data stream. For this demo, we're going to be using a stock market API and turning that into a stream. The first thing I'm doing in this example is getting a free API key from financialmodelingprep.com. Then we're going to go over to Redpanda Serverless, go into the Connect tab, and create a pipeline. This is where we're going to create our YAML config, and the first part of that is our input where we're hitting that API using our key. We're going to query that API key every 60 minutes. Next, we have a processor. That API returns a large array, and we want to break that up into individual messages, add a timestamp, and set the key of each message to the stock symbol, and then encode them. We're going to encode them into a schema that we have defined in the Schema Registry tab. It looks like this. Finally, we have a Kafka Franz output where we're sending those messages to a topic named stock data. Now, if we go look at that topic, you'll see stock data flowing in. Make sure you follow or subscribe, and we're going to share more about creating data streams for your applications.